Hello and hello. In this tutorial, we will talk about the three, three top three libraries you should be using in Python. So, the first of all is tkinter. tkinter or TK is an important library for UI Rio, Rio, and you can create many useful things with like you can see here, and you don't install it. If you have Python installed, it should automatically be installed, so you don't have to worry about installing it. Then another one is SQLite, which is this. So if you have SQLite, you should download it using this download button. You need to go in it and download the one that suits you. And the other one is MySQL connector. And if you like have a server online, or like you have a PHP MyAdmin and you want like to edit it with the Python, this is late for you and you can easily install it with the CMD. And this is the three most popular. And if you want like more things like TK Intel, there's PyQt5, but it is hard and I never used it, so I can't help you with that. Thank you very much. See you soon.